Good morning, guys. So we're here in Talisay. We're going to Tabunok area because I haven't been here for a while. So I want to see Talisay, see Booterhout Road, and this is Christmas Day. Welcome to the continuation of our Christmas Day drive, and Merry Christmas once again. Whatever. If you want to send regalo, you can send regalo. No. Just, you know, your views are enough to be my regalo. This is the road towards Tabunok. So 1 kilometer from here is Gaisano Grand Festa Mall of Talisay. Mana dugay na ko kaagigid dire. It's been years. So hi sa atong friends sa Talisay. And hello kang Sheila Castro, kang Kerwin Raga. We used to live in this area. I think karon na mo sa Minglanilla nagpuyo. So I didn't decide to go to Minglanilla kay listen na kayo. Basin pa nag-traffic yapon ang Minglanilla bisag Paskong dako. So yes, we observe it's around 8. Wala na itong oras to be exact. 8:37 in the morning. And the roads are somehow clear. At may mga tricycad or up and about tricycle. So na yung mga tricycle there is Talisay. Still working. Of course, you need vehicles right now. Thank you kita ni mga taxi, mga motor for taking you to your ninong and ninang to get those pinaskuhan. Diba? May Pasko diha. And I know na daghan kayo ninyo diha nagkuhan. Sakit pang labad pang because nag-hangover gabi eh. Okay ba? Kakayo? Sa may inyong pulutan gabi eh. May ba kayong lechon yung napalit? Sa ba nagpalit mong tibuok? Or lechon belly ba? Or kinilo? Yes, Talisay is also known, by the way, for their lechon. And I'm pretty sure, you know, a lot of our, you know, a lot of pigs were slaughtered in this city. So a lot of people order lechon. Tapos lami magyud ang lechon Talisay sad, diba? And soon, someday, I hope na makabalik tagsuroy to explore. Magkaroon na explore Talisay edition for the different lechon places here. We eat lechon, we don't call it lechon, we inasal. Inasalta. Okay, of course, though it's confusing now because inasal is like, has now become like chicken, more associated with chicken, inasal. But actually, yes, asal is like you're cooking a whole animal. Kumpara sa sugba, which is like you're cooking parts of an animal, grilling, roasting is asal, which is the proper term, I guess. Ang English term for inasal is roast. Ito tumoy. So this is Tabunok. Medyo busy, wow, para sa city, but yes, this is a city, by the way, Talisay. Oh, serious. Oh, it's Tabunok Market. And we're here. We're now back at the Cebu South Road. So finally we're here. we are gonna travel from here to, you know, Cebu City, uptown ta. So it will pass by the southern barangays. Oh, daghan yung mga tao ron na daghan yung mga dala because Pasko lagi, mga pinaskuhan, as we call it, mga masko na sila, namisitas pamilya, nagdag bring house.
Slow down. Pedestrian crossing.
So it's a really great time right now. Generous kay mga tao. I think there are a lot of even beggars. Ito mga badyaw friends na to, of course busog kay sila, but ay kuan lang karon wa kay ko kakita really, to be honest. On this trip I haven't really seen much, you know, carolers or the ones asking for money and food. Wala kayo. I think na nagkuan sad sila, I don't know, social distancing, or also they're actually banned mga kids, but yes, they're actually kuan. Hindi nga kayo ang kuan mga tao ana kay kuan ba. Vista Grande. So finally we're entering Cebu City. Sumotoy basig nagparty sa dito mga kuan tao, so mga dugay nakamata.
Slow down. Pedestrian crossing.
Although, you know, kumpara giti the past few years, yes, I think makaingon sa mga grocery, I think dili as grabe lang halin karon. It's understandable, but also kuan na lang, masabot lang kita na. That's reality right now. Di ko na kuan. Daghan niya pag hadlok mo gawas. Daghan sa, in a way, daghan ba yung nawadan sa trabaho, nawadan kuan, walay pang shopping, walay pang kuan mo lang. It would be great also kung kuan lagi. But it would be great if you spend right now in local, you know, local businesses, gifting local, just, well, yeah, because we need each other right now, and spending can go a long way, guys. So mani ang Cebu South, by the way.
Slow down. Pedestrian crossing.
Kuan kayo, free flowing in traffic, but you know, kung katong in the past days, katong mga December 23, December 22, grabing traffic in the morning ay. But today is a Friday, ha? This is December 25. It's a holiday, so the traffic is, you know, holiday traffic.
Slow down.
But
Pedestrian crossing.
ano ko ingon lang, ano to, Spardo. Nalabay na Nimba sa Yusbuntag, nalabay mga abri ron. Believe ko ng mga trabahante mo trabaho Pasko o abri ang 7-Eleven. So hey, shout out sa tanang nagtrabaho karong adlaw or mo trabaho pa, especially yung mga, you know, nagtrabaho sa malls, 7-Elevens, taxi drivers, bus drivers, tricycle drivers, everyone. Merry Christmas sa inyo. And you know, your sacrifices will be rewarded. Oh, hi sa mga real estate agents,
pedestrian crossing,
or sales executives, kana mga nagbantay sa mga exhibit, sa mga exhibit sa real estate, sa mga auto. Uy, kapoy duty, kapoy bangon, but you know what? I used to work ng ana, and some of the most amazing ako na mga halin was on Christmas Day. Kuya, kung mga halin ako Christmas Day eh. Halin tag Christmas Day, that's a kuan. Naging mga ingana ng mga tao ng bless ninyo. Suway ko na nakahalin kong condominium on Christmas Day. Kahalin ko natoy time na wako ni ulig Pasko. I just stayed in Manila. Kaya nag-duty ko showroom mo auto. Nakahalin ko, you know, auto on Christmas Day or Christmas, you know, 24th, then release on the 26th. Kaya wabay trabaho ako, but still it was like wow. So manang kung nagtrabaho ka sa sales dias kuan, ay kabala ka, ay mga kuan, ay mga nangla. I think they're so generous now, and daghan nagkwarta. Oh, na nag-abring bagong hospital race to the right, although you can't see it. That's Ace. Ace. So mana abri ng Ace there is Mambaling. I don't know if it's Mambaling ba ni or Kinasangan ba ni o it's near Pardo sa south. And we're gonna pass by the tunnel. Chill lang, don't travel guys. Our Cebu South Road Drive on Christmas Day. And I love one. Kung iyan lang traffic for pirmi, awesome kayo. But, you know, not to say merit ng traffic. So yes, we're now here. This is what you call the, you know, the underpass. Here in Mambaling. Na-viral sa una kay nagbaha diri. But yes, where this basically cuts, you know, traffic from let there be light. Yeah. So morning, we're now approaching Kwanzan Mambaling flyover. So we're gonna stay on the left lane para musaka to sa bridge, so you can stay right then swerve. Yeah lang, you know, you're inviting one trouble sometimes. Oy, go. See, like him. So hi sa mga pulis na nagbantay sa mga stop checkpoints. Mga checkpoints na di na mag-checkpoint. Na yeah, mga checkpoints na they still on duty sa Pasko, so they're away from their family. Labi ng uban na na-assign dili sila taga Cebu, na mura sa OFW gihapon. So money Cebu on Christmas Day 2020. Ano no? Miyora lamira. And Mona. Oh, sorry. So last time we were here, di ba, medyo traffic good. Oh, hello Cebu Home Builders. Last time we were here, medyo traffic good to. It was a morning. weekday morning yapon. But I guess kuanto because you know during the Christmas rush to, it wasn't a holiday then. Murag normal yung traffic, and grabe yung traffic. But mo na. Oh, di ba we end up here at CIT. So pas-pas agad kayo itong biyahe guys. And I'm thankful sa inyong support o sa pagtanaw ani na video. And I hope you know magkita-kita lang ta pohon, cooperate lang ta sa government, that hopefully we will beat the virus. I mean, find solutions na may solution ba. Di lang ta maglangan-langan, right? Wear mask, wash hands gapon, avoid social distancing, and hopefully kalamiinat, and hopefully naanay vaccine guys. Ana. Thank you so much for watching another Christmas Day episode of the Cebu City 2020 MGCQ drives. Wala na ako butang MGCQ drives because it's like back to normal na ta. But yes, we're still under MGCQ, pero you know, we're getting there, we're getting back to normal, and hopefully pray lang ta, support lang ito sa gobyerno. And of course, be mindful lang sad na magmask ta, maghugas kamot, cover kung magkuhan ka, ubhon ka, plus kung nahinantan ka iguglaag. So and I think we will be able to overcome everything good. Of course, cooperation lang na tanan. So thank you so much for watching guys, and I hope to see you nasad sa sunod nato na biyahe. So, this is Carlo Alana signing out from Cebu South Road, guys. So, bye.